Hi, I'm John Campbell, the Not So Neat Chef. Welcome back to my kitchen. Have you ever been in a supermarket and seen something strange like this? Well, this is pretty popular in Asian dishes. It's a Daikon radish. It tastes like a radish. But what a lot of the Asian cultures do is they pickle them. They usually pickle them along with carrots. A little bit of cilantro and some hot chilies. So, if you want to see how this is done, stick around. Like any other root vegetable, you want to peel it, get the outer skin off. What we're going to do is we're going to make little matchsticks out of these for pickling. You don't want them bigger than your jar, right? So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these in half. I'm going to leave this one whole, and this is how you matchstick. Cut it in half, and then you just keep on cutting them like this. Then once you have them cut like that, then you cut them this way, and that gives you matchsticks. So I'm going to do these up and then I'll be back. We've got our carrots and our daikon all washed, rinsed, and we're going to arrange them in the jar, trying to stand them up. Some cilantro. It's about a good tablespoon or two. Just break it up, put it in there. Alternate, a little bit of each. I think I have more daikon than I do carrots, which is fine. Okay, so I was able to fit them in 2 smaller and 2 larger. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make pickling solution. Pickling solution is real easy. 2 cups of vinegar and 1 cup of sugar. Alright, I'm going to start with 1 cup of granulated sugar. 1 cup of sugar. We're not going to do anything other than just like heat it up so the sugar dissolves. Distilled vinegar. I'm going to do 2 cups of vinegar. put it on a low heat so it can dissolve. And then we want to cool this liquid before we put it over the vegetables. So what we'll do is once it's dissolved, then we'll put it in the fridge for a little bit. The sugar has dissolved. Now we want to cool it before we put it on the vegetables. So I'm going to put it in the fridge as it is for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. And then we'll come back and pour it over. You'll notice as they sit in the fridge, they're going to have this unusual odor. That's normal. It doesn't mean that they're going bad or anything. It's just the daikon. Daikon has a strange odor to it. All right, there you have it. Pickled daikon and carrots. It's really good. It's good on burgers. It's good with sandwiches. It's good as an appetizer, just to eat, just like you would any other pickled vegetable. Let me know how you like this. Like, subscribe, notification, the usual. And if you want to comment, that'd be great. So until next time, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. We'll see you soon.